Okay guys, I'm done. This is my shirt. I already did it and I dried it. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Hi. Really? Okay, so today, like as you guys read the title to our video, we are going to bleach distress our t-shirts.
Are you gonna distress yours?
Or are you just gonna bleach dye or whatever then?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I just didn't know if I had to distress it or not.
I don't know. I guess after I see what it looks like, I might wanna. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so we don't want to ruin our wood table, so we're putting these trash bags down. And we have some t-shirts. We each have 2 t-shirts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have this Purple Rain t-shirt. And my favorite, Selena. I have our favorite. I was gonna say my favorite, Starbucks. And my favorite Tupac t-shirt. Okay, and then we have, where's the other bleach that we bought? Or should we just use this one? Or did we buy this one? That's the one you bought, I thought. No, I bought a different one. What brand? We've had that one? We have this special formula bleach. No splash, whatever. We got a spray bottle, dropper, and then I got this just in case, I don't know, you want to squirt. What are you going to do first? Should I do this one first or this? I guess I'll do this, Selena. Here's nothing. Okay guys, I'm done. This is my shirt. I already did it and I dried it. Just kidding. Just kidding. It's not that great. Okay, so this is our finished product. I'll show off yours first. Here is my Starbucks logo tee. This didn't come out at all the way I wanted it, but this is my Tupac t-shirt, which I like it a lot better, but I didn't mean to get the bleach on his face, but it bled through the back. So I mean, it still looks like a really cool. I said you're gonna say what you thought. Oh, I don't know if you can tell in the camera or not, but it kind of looks like a middle finger, like he's throwing up the middle finger or something. Just what I saw, but if you see it, you see it. Look, y'all, put it strong on my face. I know. But I think it came out pretty good. And then, okay, so this is the first one I did, the Selena. I don't know what you guys think. Obviously, they're still wet. We just rinsed them off. And then the Purple Rain shirt that I had did not, like, bleach at all. Like, I don't know what was the material.
of the shirt. Maybe I didn't like the bleach, didn't want to eat it up. But that one didn't come out. So then I had the Ramon shirt that I was wearing, and I decided to take it off and bleach that one.
Because that one already had bleach stains on it. Anyways,
Yeah, it had,
from like when we washed it. I don't know what happened. Somebody left bleach in the washer, but I don't know. Okay, so in closing, I guess what we wanted to say was that this Clorox bleach that we use, this isn't an ad, obviously, but this Clorox worked better because it wasn't like a color, it's like a whitening one, but the no splash, I think it's because it's like a gel, actually, not a liquid. It didn't work very well, I mean, this worked better than
this
the
one,
off-brand,
yeah,
but
Target
I don't
brand.
think it was because it was Target brand. Let me see.
I
think it's because it says with fabric protection. Oh, I'm kidding. I thought it was, because there's bleaches that you can use on color. I don't know if anybody's ever, like, they know the bleach is making me high.
the bleach is like burning my eyes.
I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but there's
Burning
like
the house.
color safe bleach. So I feel like I don't know who got this because I don't even remember us buying this.
I don't know. I just
but
found it under the sink. And
My
I
mom
pulled
probably
it out.
brought it here, but
Yeah.
that is probably colors. I don't know. It doesn't say color safe, but that's the only thing I can think of why it didn't work as well as the Clorox. And then we wanted to say about our t-shirts. So this t-shirt I got online, the Starbucks t-shirt, and then the Tupac t-shirt I got, I think it was at H&M
Forever, maybe.
or Forever 21. But the Selena shirt Reese got at Walmart. We wanted to say that
brand, Selena. Yes, we got it at Walmart. Yeah, official Selena merchandise. Was $8 at Walmart, okay? I have 2 other Selena shirts. I have a yellow Selena shirt that I got at Hot Topic. $30. And then I have another one that I got at Target, $15. So
and they're all the same brand.
They're all the same brand. Yeah, it has this little logo on them. And I mean, you can feel like the logo. It's like whatever it is, like the little, I don't know. But yeah. So
and then we found a Biggie t-shirt, and we got them in the men's section. But like I said, they're the same brand as you would get at
H&M, Forever 21, Hot Topic, Urban Outfitters,
yeah,
all kinds of places that sell
don't
like
sleep on Walmart because we went in looking for a sweatshirt and we saw that. Like, we were looking for a plain colored sweatshirt, and the sweatshirts are really cheap. And then we were going through the men's like clothing section and we saw that. And like I said, we saw a Notorious B.I.G. t-shirt, but it didn't have a price tag on it, so we didn't end up getting it. But I know, like, I'm pretty sure they've had other, like,
they have
Tupac,
Johnny Cash really cute ones.
Chucky.
Oh, we saw It one. I wanted the It one. They had the Chucky one. They had a lot of cute ones, but yeah, $8. So that's like obviously like a bargain compared to paying $30-$40.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is what we did. This is the outcome of our bleaching. I don't know, might distress a little bit. I'll think about it, but we're gonna throw them in the wash and you guys will see what they look like tomorrow.
This is what it looks like.